Bible stated in the end days the 7 seals would be opened. What if it was not about an end but rather a beginning? The seals are coded triggers that have been activating the chakras of the human energy field and the planet and her inhabitants for some time now. In the 60s, it was about the heart center, not war, but love. The 7th seal is the crown chakra. Opening this center is about accessing higher levels of consciousness. This is the ascension. The path of awakening supports and conveys that we are from the stars, that our souls are light and eternal, that our path to the highest plane of consciousness exists right here and now. We can access it within every breath. There was a hidden message encoded in the English language to remind us of our divine consciousness and connection to Source. This alignment to our highest selves is what is activating now with the opening of the 7th seal. It is now time for your own greatness.
With everything going on in the world today, it's easy to forget what a gift it is to be here. We forget why we even agreed to this in the first place. We forget that there is a perfectness to where we are, and that there is a purpose for everything that we are experiencing. There is a 1 in 400 quadrillion chance that you would be born exactly who you are. I think that's a miracle. I've been given the gift to see beyond the veil, and with this gift I've gone to the place beyond time and space, where there is no separation, and you're just a part of everything and everyone. And while it's immensely blissful and beautiful, it's equally as intense and requires a tremendous amount of energy to exist in. Being out there reminded me what a gift our physical bodies are. The gift that gives us a respite from everything and allows us to experience the world from our own unique perspective. So many people are not living the lives that they want, trapped in jobs that they don't like, relationships that don't fulfill them, living in fear, afraid to take a leap, afraid to bet on themselves, afraid of being failures. I'm here to tell you it doesn't matter if you fail. It doesn't matter if you stumble on your first few steps. All that matters is that you're willing to be bold and brave and take a bet on yourself. I get to talk to people that are no longer with us. That is a gift. And what they share with me are the memories that they made here, the people that they loved, the food that they ate, whether or not they were good with their hands, provided for their families. These are the things that they remember. So go out there, create memories, be bold, create in general. That's what you are, a creator being, here to create whatever it is you can imagine. Don't be afraid to dream big. If I had listened to everyone who told me that I wasn't smart enough, wasn't good enough, wasn't bold enough to live the life that I dreamed of, I might have missed my opportunity to help change the world. So don't listen to those voices, and don't listen to that voice inside telling you to stay, be safe, don't try, don't step out of line, don't go beyond the matrix. Only listen to your higher self, and remember this one truth, that it is an absolute gift for you to be here. So what are you going to do with yours?